Hi, I'm Nicole Smith.
And I'm Maggie Spryer.
And we're going to be filling out a bubble map today over our Texas, what makes Texas unique to us.
The book we'll be reading is called Our Texas. It's by Jackie Mims Hopkins, illustrated by Craig J. Searing. The great state of Texas is waiting for you. Come travel the land and meet people too. Then pick a direction, north, south, east, or west, and you can decide which parts you like best. In Houston, the oil barons crave the Texas tea. That black gold's a priceless commodity. The city hosts NASA and its astronauts, whom mission control oversees from this spot. You've seen some of Texas, its splendor galore. The next time you visit, come see a bunch more. Our motto is friendship, and most will agree that deep in the heart is the best place to be. And here are some of the things that are unique to Texas. We have a state gemstone called blue topaz. Our state flower is the bluebonnet. Our state dish is Texas chili. We have a state vegetable and a state pepper, the 1015 sweet onion, and the jalapeno. Our state insect is the monarch butterfly, and last but not least is our state animal, the armadillo.
So now that we've read the information, we're going to complete our thinking map, and it's very important that you read the content first. So since our title and our concept, what we're focusing on is our Texas, we're going to put that in our center bubble, our Texas. And now, on our outer bubbles, we're going to fill out what makes Texas unique to our Texas. So Maggie, what was the first thing we read?
The first thing we read was our motto, which is friendship.
So in this bubble, I would put motto, friendship. For Texas state motto. And then next,
our state gemstone, blue topaz.
our next, what makes Texas unique?
Our state flower, the bluebonnet.
And you cannot pick a bluebonnet in the state of Texas. That is illegal.
Next is our state dish, Texas chili. We have the Texas state vegetable, which is the 1015 sweet onion.
1015 sweet onion. Very unique.
Our state pepper, we have a state pepper.
Only in Texas? I don't know.
Probably. The jalapeno.
And our next unique?
We have a state insect, the monarch butterfly.
Monarch butterfly is a Texas insect. Last but not least is our
Armadillo, the animal, Texas state animal.
armadillo. Okay, so now that we have our Texas bubble map completed, we will look at, like, for example, one of what makes our Texas so unique to us is our state motto, which is an excellent vocabulary word for 4th grade students. And they're able to associate that motto is the Texas state friendship, because we've also written friendship in this bubble. So students can think, oh, in Texas we want to have friends, we focus on friendship, that's what's important to us and what we want to be known for. So we made it our motto. The other characteristics that made our Texas unique to us between vocab and content was the gemstone, which is the blue topaz, the flower, which is the bluebonnet, our Texas dish, which is Texas chili, Texas vegetable, which is the 1015 sweet onion, our Texas pepper, which is the jalapeno, our Texas insect, the monarch butterfly, and our Texas state animal, the armadillo. So now that this is completed, we've done this, I've modeled it, Maggie and I have as the teachers. So for our next step that you do, our students would select any of the cities chosen here. For instance, let's say Brownsville or Fort Worth. Students, I'm sure, would love to pick Fort Worth since we're in the DFW area. And they will create a bubble map with the theme being Fort Worth. So students will fill out all of these characteristics that make Fort Worth unique to Fort Worth. Whether it is the area, the location, the events that take place in Fort Worth. For instance, it says,
Talks about the Chisholm Trail.
yes, and the rodeo. So those are great things to fill in for their bubbles. And if students need more information, at the back of this book, they can use this as their resource to find out additional information to fill in their maps. And students are also able to go and research using additional textbooks. So thank you for joining us.